Hey guys, so for today I'm going to teach how to cancel order on Fiverr without affecting order completion rate. So first just go here on fiverr.com and then log into your account. After that, just scroll down until you find help and support under support section. And just click on that, it will direct you to another tab. You can just scroll down again until you find contact support since we will be needing customer service agent help. And then click on selling on Fiverr and then click on orders. After that, click general inquiry and then we can now start sending message. So in subject, for example, you can put here the subject canceling an order, client ordered a wrong package, or any reason you may have. And then for the description, you can just say, please cancel this order, and then input the ID, and then request that it should not affect your order completion rate, and then the reason. And then after that, the order ID input, and then attach files. So send request and just wait for the reply of the agent. So that's it for today's video. Please click on the like button, comment down below, and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.